In a move to boost margins, Inari Amertron Bhd has launched a new fibre-based optical cables product under its own Amertron brand. This marks the group's first foray into manufacturing its own brand, being presently a contract manufacturer.
It's our intention to move up the value chain. Basically, in our business, it's about margins, and we're always trying to launch services or products which will give us a better margin. By coming up with our own brand and our own products, obviously we hope very much our overall margin would increase for our business, and that's the objective. Yeah. Certainly, if we have to bring ourselves on par with our peers in the industry, basically depending on which part of the supply chain you are, as a contract manufacturer, you're sort of running in the teens in terms of margins, and if you are IP holder, then you run towards the 40% mark. So we hope that overall we can move out of the teens margins and move towards the 30-40% by launching our own products.
The group's net margin stood at 16% for the financial year ended 2015. Its full-year net profit rose 54% due to an increase in trading volumes for its radio frequency business, coupled with favourable US dollar foreign exchange rate. All of Inari Amertron's revenue comes from exports. However, the group cautions of the strengthening dollar going ahead.
I think the ideal rate for us would be about 380. It may look good for export manufacturers like ourselves if the US dollar goes, the ringgit goes further down. But I think beyond 4 ringgit to the US dollar, it would be detrimental to our industry. And the reasons for this are, firstly, we have input costs in US dollars. Secondly, our capex are measured in US dollars. Thirdly, we would see the onset of both inflation as well as wage inflation.
Tan says this would also lead to brain drain for its skilled workers, as well as price negotiated down by its customers. Wei Lin Tang, DHTV.